Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a rubber resistant band all by yourself. All you're gonna need today is just old bicycle inner tube. Because I am cyclist too, I have a lot of old bicycle inner tubes. As you can see, this bicycle inner tube was many times punctured before, so it's not good anymore for use for bicycle. So today I'm gonna make this as a resistant band. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just take a simple scissors and cut this inner tube from one side of valve and from other side of valve. And this is how it looks right now, and the half work is done. So now we have to attach handles. I don't have any fancy handles, so I'm gonna use just old markers. Make at least 2 knots. One handle is done. Second handle done too, so this is it. It took me just 2 minutes. Now we're gonna attach this rubber resistant band on a door handle, and this is it. Now we can try this rubber band. And now I'm gonna show you a quick workout with these rubber resistant bands. This workout is extremely important for fighters just like me, because fighters get a lot of injuries, especially for their shoulders, for their shoulder joints. So with this workout, you're gonna make your shoulders extremely strong, extremely healthy. Plus, this workout will help you to make your posture nice and straight, because a lot of fighters have this posture, this stance, because their chest muscles is extremely developed and their back muscles is not so good developed, so they look like this. And you don't want to look like this, you want to have a nice and straight posture. So with this workout, I will help you to make it. Before the main workout, we have to prepare our chest muscles, our shoulders. So now we're gonna do a small warm-up. It will be from 5 to 10 minutes. Second step is to make a small massage for your chest muscles. This massage we're gonna make with this special spiked ball. But if you don't have this ball, don't worry, you can use a simple tennis ball. So we're gonna take this ball and we're gonna do a quick massage for our chest muscle. After this massage, it will be much easier to make a stretch exercise for our chest muscles with these rubber bands. Okay, now the second step is to make a stretch for your chest muscles. This stretch we will make with the same rubber bands. You have to feel how your chest muscles are stretching. Okay, now we're gonna make the main workout, and there will be only 4 exercises. So the first exercise is I'm gonna take a handle and I'm gonna do these rotational motions with my right hand. Exhale, exhale. Just keep in mind, guys, during this exercise, every time your posture has to be straight. Your spine, your back must be as straight as possible, and your shoulders can't look like this. It has to be backward. It has to stand backward. Okay, so let's continue. Do as much repetitions as you can. Do your maximum. Same exercise with the second hand. And do this exercise 4 times with each hand. Exercise number 2. I take a handle one more time, and now I'm gonna do this rotational motion. Do maximum repetitions as you can. Change your hand. Exercise number 3. Now take 2 handles and do this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Remember guys, keep your back and spine as straight as possible, and your shoulders must be held as backward as possible. Exercise number 4, the last exercise. Take 2 handles and just pull. Remember folks, do all these exercises at least 4 times with each hand and do maximum repetition. Do as much as you can. So this is it guys. If you are a fighter, you must do all these exercises because you don't want to look like this. You want to have a nice posture, and plus you want to have a healthy and strong shoulders.